everyone, in today's video we're going to demo another our progress and our CLI. Um, yeah, just wait for a moment. Yeah, there we go. I believe it's ready. So we already published another version of our CLI. We can check our CLI version. This is the latest one that we published. Now we wanted to install that latest version. So currently we are using 1.0.2. Now we wanted to install the latest version. Okay, so let's check. So the version installed in our system, it's now uh, 1.0.3. So now we will create a new project. So we have a clean project here. VWX new Angular project. We'll call it, the project name will be Dude Web, right? So the title will be the cool dude in town, right? So we're gonna put MFE. This is optional. It'll be a shell or maybe a remote, and then we can put here version. It can be version 18, version 19, or version 20. So now we're going to create our Angular project. Alright, so don't mind this one. I haven't solved that yet. So there you go. We have our dude web generated, and if we open the package, we have a dude web here, and let's go to our index. So the title here is a dude, the cool dude in town. I think we haven't put see here the cool dude in town, and if we npm run start this, oops, hold on, I think we haven't npm installed that thing, so we have to install again. We have to install the packages needed for that Angular project that we just created, and yeah, just let's wait and see. Yeah, while waiting for it to complete, let's tour the code generated here. So we have route here. I already got a dashboard implemented, bootstrapped for us, and you can see here, yeah, this app component. If you start from scratch, this usually is the starter template of Angular, but because we're already using the VWX CLI, everything is already bootstrapped for us, and we're gonna make this um, we're going to keep on improving the CLI, and as I believe this is gonna be very helpful for uh, young devs, like noob devs, who doesn't know how to do things because they're so noob, right? Oops, hold on. All right, you see here the cool dude in town, the cool dude in town, and yeah, that's it. I believe you can use this also, kids, for those that are noob. You can use this, so you can install this by you can install. You need to have npm first, and then you're just gonna install the VWX CLI globally, and then after installing globally, I will have to put in documentation how to use this, and this will be my contribution for the mankind. Okay. All right. Cool. Thanks. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you on the next videos. All right. Cool. Thanks. Bye bye.